What if I told you turning a simple photo into an AI-generated wall art could make you thousands on Etsy? This style is already pulling in massive revenue for new sellers and is still unsaturated. In this video, I'll show you how to create this design in minutes using a free AI tool. This is a wall art design that features a custom royal pet portrait created in a classic oil painting art style. This artwork transforms your pet photo into a regal masterpiece by dressing them in an elegant royal attire. And by searching it on Etsy, I discovered that listings within this design niche consistently earn bestseller tag, which clearly indicates a strong demand. For example, this wall art has already made 8 sales in the last 24 hours, proving that people are actively buying it. Looking at the reviews, you can also see that the product continues to generate daily sales. By analyzing it further using Alura, we can clearly see how massive this design niche is in terms of total revenue. Looking at the monthly sales prove that people are consistently searching for and purchasing this type of design. So just imagine having a listings like this in your own store. For instance, this seller who sells custom designs like this has made impressive total sales in their store. And according to Alura, they've generated both huge total revenue and substantial monthly revenue. Now, you can choose to sell this type of design as digital products, but your profit margin will be minimal. However, you can double your revenue just like this seller by offering it in both physical and digital formats. This way you attract two types of buyers into your store, and you can easily use print-on-demand company like Printify or Gelato to make your design prints ready without you ever touching a physical product yourself. In the past, creating a design like this was only possible for people with artistic skills in Photoshop. It required cropping the head of the original image and blending it into the new body to make it look real. Not only was this time consuming, but it also delayed delivery, especially for sellers with a large numbers of daily orders. But now, with the help of the free AI platform I just discovered, this process has become incredibly simple. With Kittl Flows, design becomes effortless. You can start from scratch, use a template, or even upload your own sketch. And with just one click, Kittl Flows transform your idea into multiple creative variations. And it's not just fast, it's smart. With an AI-powered smartboard, you can break through creative blocks and scale your design across different formats, style, and output in seconds. You can turn a single element into a complete matching icons, graphic set, and transform a rough idea into something polished and professional. The best part, you're still in control. Kittl Flows work directly within the Kittl editor, allowing you to refine, vectorize, and style every design exactly the way you want it, and you're 10x more creative while doing it. You can test these powerful new features for free. Click the link in the description to get started. And if you're ready to take your design workflow to the next level, use my exclusive coupon code to get 25% off your first monthly and annual plan. Now, to create this design with Kittl Flows, we first need to start a new project and set our portrait custom size with 300 dpi. Next, I will import the image we want to use. After this, we'll select the artboard and choose Add Smart Board. The smart board will then be connected to the artboard, and it comes with its own prompt box where I can describe the image. And here is how I structure my prompt. Using this image, imagine a dog dressed in a 19th century Victorian royal attire, wearing a velvet coat with golden embroidery, standing proudly in a richly decorated palace hall with tall chandeliers in an oil painting style. Now you can see how Kittl Flows did an incredible job making the entire process effortless. I also tried this with other prompts using the same format, and the result was just impressive. But that wasn't all. I also have a free list of prompts you can use to try this out in Kittl Flows. Just comment "I want this prompt" and I'll paste the link for you. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Finally, I hope this video was able to convince you of how to create top-selling custom wall art design using Kittl Flows. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.